Hello and welcome to our weekly weather briefing. It's been a busy week across southern Wisconsin. We've experienced a tornado outbreak earlier in the week, and this is just a listing of some of the tornadoes that have been confirmed so far, the strongest of which, an EF2 west of Brownsville on the Dodge-Fond du Lac County line with winds of 125 miles an hour. Our survey crews are still out and still reporting more tornadoes to come as far as the damage that has been surveyed. So this list will be added to as time goes on. So this is a look at our 2-week rainfall that we've had, and you can see amazing amounts of rainfall that have occurred across southern Wisconsin, especially up from La Crosse and Viroqua through Mauston and the Dells, Fond du Lac, Juneau, Sheboygan, Port Washington, and of course the Madison area and points west, which got hit very hard as well. So just an incredible amount of rainfall these past couple of weeks. So we're looking, unfortunately, at a more active pattern that is going to continue. The next chance of rain and storms is coming in for Friday night into Saturday morning. That'll be the first round of storms. And how that system moves through and where boundaries set up will kind of dictate where things evolve from there. So you're going to want to keep up with the forecast heading into this weekend. There is a marginal risk for severe thunderstorms with that round Friday night into Saturday morning, and a slight risk in the far western part of the state. And a marginal risk will also extend into southern Wisconsin for Saturday into Saturday night as well. And as I mentioned, there's a potential for this pattern to remain active into next week as well, which is not good news. So right now, this is the rainfall that we're expecting through Sunday, and you can see the highest amounts are forecast in the far southwestern part of the state. Some of these areas haven't seen a lot of rain. The primary focus will be in our northern 2 tiers of counties from the Dells and Wautoma east towards Sheboygan, Port Washington, and the lesser amounts will be observed in the northeast part of the state. So we will be issuing, and we have issued, a flash flood watch for our northern counties. This is for Friday night into Saturday for over an inch of rainfall during that period of time. So the risk of flash flooding will be great, especially given the conditions that they are on the ground with the rainfall and the flooding that's ongoing. So you're definitely going to want to pay very close attention to the situation as it unfolds Friday night into Saturday. This is the convective outlook that shows the risk areas for severe weather. The slight risk edges into the far west and southwest for Friday night, and there's a marginal risk elsewhere across the state, and that risk is confined to the southern part of the state for Saturday into Saturday night. A lot will depend on Saturday and beyond how the system moves through Friday night into Saturday morning. That'll kind of dictate where the storms fire later Saturday and possibly into Sunday as well. So keep up with the forecast. That is the briefing as of now. A lot has happened. There's still a lot yet to come. So please stay tuned to the forecasts and be ready to take action, and have a good weekend.